Hey guys, today
we're gonna do, Dad's gonna do some work on the frame. We're probably not gonna be in this video too much. It's some really dirty work.
Yeah, I got some real crap work I gotta do. And it's just, you don't want to be around it. It's gonna be gross. We're gonna be shooting some sparks and some rust and some dust.
And some
We're gonna
tetanus
clean all
shots.
this front up. What are we cleaning that up for?
the Mustang II suspension.
Mustang II suspension. So we gotta clean up the front rails, eventually box them in, and I got to cut this half off. That's got to go away so that the rack and pinion fits in there.
So this is the progress Dad made on the 46 frame.
What do you think? Here's all the... I like these. These are cool. I'm gonna save them. I don't know what for, but they went down here for the... They're just a cool bracket. I got a little bit more cleaning. I'm gonna switch up the wheels and go to a wire wheel and a flap wheel and get all this front, and then I'll have you come out when we cut this cross member out, okay?
Yeah.
What are you up to? You working on your wheels? How are the wheels coming?
The wheels are pretty shiny.
Yeah? That's cool. Here, those wheels. Those wheels were my Uncle Kurt's. He was my mom's brother. And he's the one that bought this truck. Grandpa Freddie owned it in the 50s. And then he sold it for, I don't know, 20 bucks in a can of beans or something. And then my Uncle Kurt bought it back in the 80s. And then him and Grandpa were restoring it. That's why the cab is in such good shape, because that's as far as they got. And then he went off to high school and college, and it's been sitting ever since. And now it's yours. Alright, man. I'm gonna get back at her. You go finish your wheel project?
Yep.
Alright.
Please subscribe and like the video if he actually drinks this.
Or this will be coming. Let's go.
Let's go bring it to Dad.
You got your white glass?
Oh, is that a favorite? A Budweiser? Why do you gotta do that to me on the internet?
Don't drink all of that.
You drink it.
Just
Now you gotta like and subscribe to the video.
Don't tell anybody.
Now, guys, since he drank the White Claw on camera, make sure to like, subscribe, and tickle that bell icon for more videos.
Kelly, did you steal my glove? I know you're the one doing it. My wife does it too. She just steals my shit. So I go insane and she put me in a hole. Alright, back up, Kelly. You don't want to get any of this shit out of here. Shining her now. Nice. For a flat wheel. Those are my favorite.
That's like the shortcut.
Like that, buddy. Factory.
So this is how much Dad got done on our 46 frame.
Here's the cross member. That's gonna go like that, but it has to go way up front. I need to put some metal in here and trim this. This cross member will be up farther, but here, you hold it there. That's gonna go something like that.
Yeah?
Next time we'll cut out some metal and maybe we can tack it in there. You guys can do that. You're certified welders now, right?
Yeah.
And I did some surgery on this front. She got skinny. It was about that wide. But that's where
Yeah.
the rack and pinion has to go in there. So we needed more room.
Yep.
More room for new stuff. And your dog just laid in a dirt pile. That's such a good girl. What do you think? How'd your, you want to show me how your wheel project turned out?
Yep.
Almost done.
Let's check out the wheels
Yep.
Yep.
and then we'll get out of here.
Yep.
Well, let's go see them.
Cleaned up your wheel, new tires on her?
Those are new from 1984.
Well, look
The
at
boys cleaned them up.
Well, I'm looking at the tents on the side.
Yeah, they're brand new. They still got the writing on them.
Where'd you get them?
They were on the truck. Kurt and Dad bought them in like 84, he said. Is it anywhere you want to go?
Oh, I got it.
Ah, I keep getting them crooked.
Origin story.
Now I'm Spider Garage.
Yeah, let's everybody sends you two. Let's see if you can open Desert Rat.
Yep.
Forsaken. It should be wood, metal, and sticker glue.
Come on,
I'm talking to Dad. Yeah, you clearly did.
Braden,
What if I get any views on this?
I'm just gonna glue them up here in a minute.
These are very difficult. You guys are sending some pretty. This is right there.
There, Grandpa will see that when he comes home.
Yep.
Cool?
and this is my favorite.
That one's a hologram. That one's awesome.
Yeah, that was pretty cool. It probably was kind of hard to make though.
There, let's roll. I forgot to put these in. You want to help me put them in before we lose them? Yeah. See that hole right there? You put it in there? Cool, big helper. There's 2 holes. Hey. Yep, were you helping your mom get her classroom ready the other day?
Yeah.
Yeah? What happened?
Off because there was not one on this.
Yeah, what happened? Did it get really loud? Did the fire alarm go off in your mom's school? Huh? Did the fire alarm? Yeah. I wonder who pulled that red handle to make the fire alarm go off?
I did.
You did? Uh-oh, did it get loud?
No.
Did the firemen come to mom's school? No. Yeah, you're trouble, aren't you? Put the bolt in the hole. Can you put it? There's 2 of them. Put it in the hole and we're out of here. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye, guys.
Bye, guys.
Stay out of trouble.
Stay out of trouble.